In this part, we are going to talk about the generator. The generator is the function that returns the object that we can iterate over. And instead of return, we can use the yield. So you can see at here, we define the gen1 function, and then we yield 1, yield 2, and then yield 3. And then we can iterate the generator object by using next. So for example, we can define x is equal to gen1, and then we print next. And then you can see the first number is 1, and then when you print next again, you can see the second number is 2, and then if you print again, you can see 3. However, if you print next x again, you can see it has the stop iteration error because we only has 3 numbers here. But if you're using the for loop, it do not have the error because it will stop the iteration error and stop. This is the for loop functions. It already handle the error by stopping the printing functions. And we can see we already learned for x in hello world, we can also print the character one by one. So you can see the hello world in this form. However, we cannot using the next by using the, for example, we define hw. This variable is equal to hello world. However, if you're using next hw, you can see the string object is not iterator. So in order to turn it into an iterator, we can use the iter functions, which is used to return an iterator object. So we define iter is equal to iter hello world. So now this time we can using the print hello, print hw iter. So the first one is h. The second one is e. So you can see we can print out this one by one like before.